Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're conducting HITIF Stock Analysis. That is High Tide Inc. That is a penny stock company available on OTC and it works in the cannabis sector. Phenomenal potential and value in this company. Is it a buy? Is it a sell? It is massively down at the moment, around the 48 cents mark from a recent high, but I believe this company is massively undervalued. So if you fancy finding out exactly why I think that is, then smash that like button, consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in there and explain exactly why this is. Hey guys, welcome into the video. So here we are on the landing page for High Tide Inc. HITIF stock, and as we can currently see, it is 48 cents a share, down 4.5% today, down from a high of 71 cents a share on the 24th of March at a pretty decent discount right now, and nothing major has changed about this company, guys. Market cap is 307 million. But there has been some significant news recently. So first thing is first, High Tide has marked the 420 holiday by launching a new store in Edson, Alberta. So that is expansion coming again. High Tide delivering expansion in its company, offering even more products across its whole range of firm, concrete-based, hard-based retailing institutes. So that is something that's about to happen now. It has been announced just 7 hours ago, and then only 4 days previous to this, on Friday the 16th of April, they also expanded another store in Ottawa, which with launch of Biowood Market Retail Cannabis Store, and that is in accordance with opening 30 stores across the whole of Canada, which is something that they have had in their business plan over the coming year, and that is something that they are delivering upon. Of course, this is absolutely fantastic to see. When you delve into this company, you can see their quarterly financial performance here from Q1 2020 to Q4 2020. Revenue has been growing each quarter, and then if you look at it annually, that revenue spiked from 2019 to 2020. Though they didn't actually make an actual profit, they still made a little bit of a loss. There is still huge significant revenue growth there, guys. Now if we have a look at what the company actually is going on at the moment, we can see that they manufacture and retail cannabis, smoking accessories and lifestyle products, and this has actually been backed by Snoop Dogg himself, or he is a brand ambassador. So they had revenue of $83 million over the last year or so, and that means that at its current market cap, this company is only trading at about 4 or 5 times revenue. That is not bad value at all for a cannabis company, and a company that is doing particularly well as well, guys. So if we have a quick look at the financials here, you can see that the revenue has been growing, or the cash on hand has grown quite decently in 2020. If we actually go to the income statement, which is what I wanted to originally show you, that sales growth is like clockwork over the quarters, guys. Just look at that consistent growth over those quarters, and then annually it has picked up massively as well. If they can continue this trend, this company is going to be an absolute powerhouse in this sector. It is backed by FREEBIES, which is a company that I already invest in, which is obviously emerging with Tilray as well. This company, FREEBIES, invested $5 million into High Tide not so long back to help them grow, and they've obviously got a vested interest in High Tide doing well. So that is absolutely excellent as well. If we have a look at just how much the company has how well it's done over the last year to date, it is up 140%. That is very impressive, and in the last full year it is up 467%, and you can see why, guys. I mean, just look at that revenue growth that we saw there. That is so impressive. In fact, the market cap is actually down slightly at 280 million, which makes this company such an undervalued penny stock. I mean, I just can't get my head around it. The outstanding shares are a little bit high than you would usually want for a penny stock. Usually you want it down in the lower hundreds, but still 600 million shares outstanding isn't a ridiculous amount when you get into the likes of this being a growing business. There are a couple of mutual funds holding this one as well, and there are loads of direct holders, even guys that had started holding in March 2021. I mean, look at this guy here, 97 million shares. That is absolutely huge. And then lastly, I just wanted to cover the research on this company. So in the last 3 months it received 1 buy analyst rating, and it currently has 2 buy analyst rating. And if you look at what their price targets are for this company, they are a high of $1.40 and a low of $1.10. The median is $1.25, and its current share price is just $48, guys. It's almost 100% undervalued in terms of the low range of what these analysts suggest. I mean, if you go for the high range of $1.40, that is a 3 times return on your money right there, guys. That is absolutely huge. This company is 100% undervalued. I wasn't originally going to invest in this because I was happy with Afraya, but Afraya is such a massive conglomerate that returning 3 times my money on that now is going to be a little bit of a push over the short term, whereas this company could easily achieve this very, very quickly if it carries on reporting revenue and then turns a profit over the coming quarters and continues the expansion which it is. That is absolutely fantastic, and it's hard to find a better undervalued company, especially in the cannabis sector at the moment, than this one. I highly recommend looking into this one, guys. HITIF stock has some fantastic price targets on it. It only has a market cap of 284 million, as we've just seen at present prices, and there's at least a 300% upside on this one if you take what analysts say into account, looking at the $1.40 region, and there's no reason for it not to achieve that. It's sitting on plenty of cash. It hasn't watered down its shares to complete oblivion. It's got growing revenue, it's expanding its stores, it's got celebrity backing. I can't realistically see this share price continuing its downwards trends for much longer before it starts recovering back towards the 70 cents mark, and then getting towards what the analysts are saying as well, the $1 mark will be absolutely huge. And if that's the case, then that returns a 100% return on your investment, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video today, guys. If you could show your appreciation by smashing that like button and considering subscribing to my channel, that would be absolutely awesome. And I'll see you in another penny stock episode. Catch you later.